Hey, what's up, guys? This is Chris from Unbox Addiction, and right now I have an unboxing / review of the Fintie protective keyboard case for my iPad. This one is particularly for the iPad 4 model, which is what I have. They do also have models for their most recent iPads and even the iPad Pro. The reason I got this is because I'm currently in school right now, and I just need something. I thought about getting a laptop, but I really don't need to do too much work. Just drafting documents going on the internet, which I did use my iPad 4, but I did want to actually have a keyboard case to, draft documents, do Excel spreadsheets and whatnot. So I thought about getting this. So when I saw this online, I thought, well, let me check it out. I may still individually get a laptop, like a MacBook or something, but at the moment, I think this will suffice. I talked to other people who have keyboard cases, and they seem to like it. So I thought I'd get this. Again, it's a Fintie iPad keyboard case. The logo right there. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. All right, so looks like this is the case itself. Let's take that out of the plastic. It's a magnetic flap. Just get rid of that. And I guess here are the grooves to put the screen in. This is where the iPad goes towards. So, well, let's go ahead and get this thing at it. What you want to do, here's the cutout for the camera. So you want to make sure that the camera lines with it. So let's put that there. Here's the snap, meaning that it is attached. All right. Yep. Sorry, the screen's a little bit smudgy. But anyways, yeah, it looks like these are the little grooves to place the keyboard in. All right. Also, the thing about this is that it's also one of those magnetic cases that have, it has magnets here. So just like the Apple smart cases, it'll close it and it'll shut down the iPad. So when you close it, it cuts off. You open it, it pops up. I don't know if you can see it from the glare. Hold on. Right, so there's that. Yeah, there we go. It does work. I guess the way I'm holding it is just not doing it, but I have seen it happen. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so once you close it, it does go into sleep mode, so that's a good thing, just like the smart case. Anyways, let me go ahead and get put that away and actually open up the actual keyboard. There we go. Ultra thin wireless keyboard. All right. All right. Pretty small, pretty thin. Guess it would have to be because it's supposed to be a case. I should be able to carry both my iPad and the keyboard along with me. The only thing I may have an issue is that the keyboards are very small, but I mean, I guess that just comes to show. But I'm just doing light typing. The clicks feel pretty satisfying. And there's the on-off switch. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there we go. On-off switch. The connect button to connect it via Bluetooth to your iPad, and micro USB port to actually charge the case, or excuse me, charge the keyboard. And I think that's it. Yes. So let's go ahead and attach it to this. The thing about this is magnetic, so it'll just stick right there. And as you can see, it won't slide out or anything like that. And so how you're supposed to do it is you just attach to the front and then attach this to the back. Voila. And as you can see, that's how it goes. And I've actually already synced this up with my iPad. So let me just pull up a document right quick. It has function keys, like there's a home button, like if I open up an app or something, I can hit the home button and it'll go right back. So like function and then home. Let me open up the app first. Function, home. Oh, sorry, I didn't turn it on. Excuse me. I've actually already paired this up with my iPad, so let's go ahead and get this going. So anyways, function, home, and there it is. Open up multiple apps. So you can do the app drawer once I get this up. So function, home twice, and then you can just swipe up to close it. But anyways, as far as the typing goes, let me pull up a document. Just a blank page. It's pretty responsive. So like I said, I just got this for school, so just to type documents and whatnot. My class is a traditional classroom, but like the tests and the quizzes and all that, you actually have to do online on the school website. So that because the only reason I'm doing that because my teacher has said he does not like to deal with paper. So that's why I have this. So far so good. I've actually had this for 2 weeks, so I already have it paired up with my iPad already. So far so good. Like I said, the keys feel very nice, very satisfying, and to actually close it, just move this to the middle, and there you go. Like I mentioned, even with the keyboard attached, it'll still the screen will still go to sleep mode or whatever, or go black once you close it to save battery, and just close it that way. Here's the flap, and there it is. So far I'm enjoying it. Still has the cutouts for to charge it, and the microphone, speakers, all that. This is an older iPad, so it actually still has a headphone jack. And I actually think the newer iPads have a headphone jack too. I don't think they've done away with that yet, but I'm pretty sure they will eventually. But anyways, so far I've been testing this out for 2 weeks and it's been fine. I've typed several documents, taking my taking my school test online, and it's worked fine for me. So anyways, that's the Fintie iPad 4 keyboard case. Like I stated, they also have it for the newer versions of iPad Airs 1 and 2, iPad Pro, and even the larger iPad Pro. So anyways, this is Chris from Unbox Addiction. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't, well, I appreciate you watching anyways. You guys take care, and I'll see you next time.